Good morning, students. In previous class, we have discussed about how sex can be determined in human beings. We have discussed, and also the same thing you can see in other heterozygous female like grasshopper or birds. How we can determine the sex them also. They are also showing the heterozygous condition of the gametes in female bird, and they usually used to determine the sex of offsprings. That is what. And the sex determination is one of the illegal process. Why? Because the government do not accept. It is a illegal process. Why? Because after determination of the sex, what it is the offspring is going to be, whether it is male or female. As we Indian, we have a bad culture. What is that? So male, a boy can continue, boy can develop the generation. What is the present generation is going to be developed by the boy. That's what the parents are what doing. Even still, we are going to in space. We are traveling to the space. During this advanced technology using generation also, the method, what is the ancestor method? What is that? The determining of sex. That is what is male or female. So that is if the male is going to be carried by the mother, there is no nothing. The contraception is not going to be carried out. So whereas if the female body, that mother is carrying female offspring, what the peoples are doing? They are going to take contraception and avoid the pregnancy. Why? Because they don't want to girl child. Because of one thing is her growth and her future, the marriage and all the things is going to be expenditure. That is one of the calculating. And also one more thing is the generation to continue. That is the main reason of the peoples are following the sex determination. That is what now it is becoming one of the illegal activities. So no doctor, no nurse, nobody can allows to determine the sex of the offspring before the delivery. That is what illegal activity. Now we are going to discuss an illustration of evolution process. So under evolution process, how that variations are going to be developed and how that helps them to survive in their particular environmental condition. Now, in under evolution process, we have selected some of the beetles which are showing varying in color, and these beetles are going to produce their offsprings by means of sexual reproduction. So, by means of sexual reproduction, they are able to produce their offspring. If organism is able to produce their offspring by means of sexual reproduction, as we have seen that the DNA, that is genetic material, is going to be exchanging from male and female gametes and helps in development of new characteristics. And these characteristics help them to survive whatever it is the situation is they are going to be faced. Now, the same thing we are going to discuss in a beetle family. In a beetle family which are found in a habitat. So what is happening here? So in three situations, how the beetles are going to be survived according to their condition. Now we have taken a group of beetles which are with the different colors. So in that, as you see, just now I said that these beetles are able to reproduce by means of sexual mode of reproduction. So, as we know that due to the sexual mode of reproduction in beetle family, they are able to produce their offsprings in new characteristics. Now, these are the red color. Non-shaded beetles are red color. Non-shaded beetles are red in color. And the shaded beetle is in green color. This is shaded one is green in color and non-shaded are red in color. So this is green and these remaining three are the red beetles. Now these red beetles and green beetles, unfortunately, due to the mutation in the gene of this population of beetles, suddenly a green color characteristics is formed or developed. Now, these green color beetles that are feeding are developed or growing on the green plants. As we know that, so if you write anything on white board with white chalk piece, will you find? We can't find. On black book with black color, we can't find. Why? Because the background and what we used to write both are same, and which is not possible to identify. Here also, due to the green color of the beetle and the background of the beetle is also in green color. So what is happening here? These green colors are not visible on green leaf. That is we have seen and we have learned as adaptation or camouflage. So the background and organism color which are same, that is causes them to adapt or hide from their predators. As we know that crow is a common predator of beetles. So crow, as we know that they used to find the beetles to eat as their food. So if four, the red color and green color beetles are grazing or they are feeding on the leaf, out of these which beetle is visible to the crow? Can you guess? As we know that red beetles are visible to the crow and green beetles are not visible to the crow. This is one situation. What is happening here? Due to visibility of these to the crow, the red color is going to be eaten by the crow. And what is happening here? Red beetles population is going to be decreased. So now crow will start feeding on this beetle family. So when the crow start feeding on them, what is happening in this situation 1? So here the crow which is eating on these red color beetle. So what is happening here? They are eaten by the crow. So these red color are eaten. Why? Because these are green color is hidden on the green background, which is not noticeable by the crow. And what is happening here? Red beetle eaten by crow. Red beetle is going to eaten by the crow. And which population, which beetle is going to survive now? So green color will be left in the habitat. What is the color of the beetle is left? Green color. Now what is happening here? As we know that the beetles are able to produce their offspring by means of sexual mode of reproduction. Next, what is happening here? The next population of this habitat. So in this habitat, almost all are in what color they are going to produce? All the beetles of this habitat will be green color. So all the beetles will be growing as green color. So what is the population is developed here? Green population. Green beetles are going to be developed. That is what, in this situation, the crow is making them to select the food particles because of they are visible to the crow. So they are eaten by the crow. So crow is exerting or creating natural selection as it is a predator. Why? Because they are visible to the crow and this is not visible because its background also green in color. So red beetles are eaten by the crow and green beetle will be survived because they are under camouflage. Next, what is happening here? These red beetles are eaten and only green beetle is left and their next generation will be green color and entire the population of that particular habitat will be all are green color beetles are developed. This is one situation. The natural selection is exerted or caused by the crow to develop the new variation in the population of this beetle family. That is what we can see in the situation 1. Next, same condition. So, in situation 2, second situation 2. In this situation, same red beetles are found red beetles are found in the population of beetles, and unfortunately one is developed as some other color. We take as blue color. Blue color is developed in this beetle family or population. What is happening here? So in this variation is not because of natural process it is developed. Unfortunately it is developed, and this blue color which is developed here is not useful for this beetle to protect itself. Why? Because if you take green color in situation 1, they can hidden on the green leaf. But the blue color, they can't hidden on the green leaf. They are also visible to the crow also. But accidentally the color which is developed in the population of this beetle, what is happening here? Unfortunately, one elephant is passing on the habitat of this beetles population. Unfortunately, the elephant stomp its foot on the this beetles population. Unfortunately, what is happening here? All red color only accidentally they disappear. It is not natural, it is accidentally processes occurred or shown impact on the disappearance of or elimination of these red color beetles. And what is left here? Blue color beetle is remaining, unfortunately. Blue is left here. Now, what is happening in next generation? Blue color is going to be developed. So, by this accidental process, what is happening here? One gene is completely eliminated, that is red color coding gene is eliminated, and accidentally one more color is developed, that is blue color coding gene is developed, and entire population of these habitat will be blue color beetles are developed. That is what in natural selection process the organisms are able to adapt themselves to protect from their natural process, and accidentally the cause which is eliminating these genes, that also causing the development of the variations in the organism, but which is not for them to protect in the generally it is developed. But after accidental process, the elimination is created due to the elephant, and the next generation they are going to develop completely blue in color. And blue color is not useful for them to survive. Why? Because they can easily identified by the crow. That is what we have to see. And another situation. In another situation, so what is happening here? Here, the same condition, same beetles family is there. Beetles population is found on the same habitat in situation 3. So, but in this situation, condition is different. What is the condition is different in this? So, there is no any variation, no variant, no different color. All beetles are red color. All are red beetles only. There is no any variant, no different in color. Now, these beetles which are found in that habitat, so due to the disease condition of the plants or food that is not available to these beetles. So, what is happening here? The beetles which are feeding on the plants, so due to the disease condition of the plants are destroyed or plants are died. So, what is happened to the plants? The plants are died. So, because of the reason is a disease condition. So, due to the disease condition, so plants are died and there is no food. If there is no food, for example, for us, if there is no food, what is happening here? If there is no food, we want to die. But what is happening here? We will become weak. Here also, due to the disease condition, the plants are died and there is no food to the beetles. Now what is happening here? The beetles will become weak because of starvation or lack of food. The beetles will become weak due to the starvation condition or lack of food condition. But they, as we have seen that in any bodily changes, characteristics or variation, we have learned that do not transfer. Now, these beetles become weak due to the lack of food. So, disease condition, lack of food. The beetles become weak. After some times, the disease is cured in the plant starts growing normally and it is providing food to the beetles. Now, beetles are again start feeding on the plants. Now, what is happening here? Again, they will gain there. Food is available. Food is available now. If the food is available, what is happening here? There is gain of the weight by the beetles. Again, they will back to their normal weight or normal in size due to the availability of the food. In general, we also, those are staying in the hostel, if you come to the hostel, you will become weak. Why? Because taking regular food, same food, you won't like to eat. So, due to this reason, you will become weak. After going back, if you stay 1 week or 2 weeks at home, how will we become? We will become again normal to our body weight. This is what. After coming back hostel, again what is happening here? Same environment again. Again we are not showing much interest on eating same type of food and we will become weak. Here, in staying hostel, become weak. Going back to home, we will become normal in weight. Again back to hostel, we will become weak. Here also, when there is no food for these beetles, they will become weak. If the food is supplied to them, what is happening here? They will become normal. If in case, if these beetles are participating in sexual mode of reproduction, how will be the next generation? Whether weak or normal in size? Yes, they will become normal in size. What is the reason? Is because of the bodily changes variation. That is, acquired characteristics are not transferred from one generation to the another generation. If the food is available, again they will back to the same weight. If there is no food, they will become weak. But these do not show any effect on the DNA of that particular trait and that do not transfer to the next generation and that do not show any impact on the offsprings. That is bodily changes. In situation 1, what has seen? The natural selection which is exerted by the crow helps the beetles to develop and protect themselves. That is situation 1 we have seen. And any accidental condition that may also causes in development of new characteristics. That is in second situation we have seen. In this situation, the bodily changed characteristics are not able to transfer from one generation to another generation. So by this process, you can see that how that evolution is going to be occur. So in situation 1, what we have seen? Natural selection. Nature is selecting the organisms which is having the traits. What type of traits? Suitable to their environment. That is called as natural selection. So, by the first situation, we can derive one definition. What is that definition? Is natural selection. So, natural selection. So, natural selection. What is natural selection? Means the process in which nature selects the organisms having traits. Traits means what? Characters. Which is favorable to the environment to survive. That is called as natural selection. And this natural selection theory was explained by Charles Darwin. So he wrote about natural selection in his book, The Origin of Species. In that book he wrote about natural selection and how the nature is going to select the species to their particular environment and to survive. So this is because of Charles Darwin, who went on a trip to the Galapagos Island, where he visited Galapagos Island, where he noticed around within that island he observed around 13 different types of beak birds. Different types of beaks of the birds he found. That is within the short, within the boundary area, he found 13 different types of birds which have developed different beaks because of based on the availability of the food for them. That is nature, what is the food is given, same type of birds it is created in that particular area and they are surviving there. That is natural selection, which was explained in The Origin of Species by Charles Darwin. That is natural selection, and that is situation 1. Second situation, so what is happening here? Second situation, so accidentally the trait is eliminated from the small population. Why? Because within the small population of beetle, what is happening here? Red color is eliminated. How it is eliminated? Naturally or accidentally? Yes, accidentally it is eliminated from the nature. So due to this accidental process, any trait or genes are transferred from one place to another place or eliminated from a particular place. That process is called as genetic drift. Genetic drift. What it is called? Genetic drift. That is elimination of a trait from the small population or transfer or migrated to different place, and that process is called as genetic drift. Genetic drift is nothing but transfer of genes. That is genetic drift. And third illustration. So under third illustration, what we can say that acquired traits are not transferred from one generation to the another generation, but inherited. These situation 1 and 2. In that situation, what is happening here? New variations are going to develop in new generation. So that is new generation which are developed with new character that completely transfers to the next generation. This is bringing the changes in the structure of the DNA. The DNA change structures creates the new characteristics. That new characteristics or traits which are exhibited by the organism, they again transfers to the next generation. That will be continued for the several generations. This is what the acquired traits are not transferred from one generation to another generation, whereas inherited traits are transferred from one generation to another generation. So acquired traits and inherited trait inheritance. From the three situations what we have discussed, from situation 1 we have seen natural selection is going to be occur from their predators, and genetic drift is accidentally the genetic material is going to different place or coming from that place to different place. That is making to develop the new characteristics. And third situation, starvation is not changes in the genetic structure of the beetles, so that is not transferring to the offspring. Whereas inherited traits only can transfer from one generation to another generation. This is what we can see that the process in which evolution is going to be occurred by means of sexual mode of reproduction. This is what illustration.